Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss today class 9 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life cell. Once again, try to understand what is the name of the chapter. Class 9th students, name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life cell. This is the chapter of cell, chapter 1. So inside chapter 1, what things we are going to discuss with you, in front of you, class 9 students. So topic is basic structure of cell. That means by what structures cell is made up of. So basic structure of cell by which cell is made up of is cell membrane, and cell membrane are also called plasma membrane. So cell membrane and plasma membrane is a outer covering of the cell. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is outer covering of the cell, that is called cell membrane. It is also called selectively permeable membrane. Students, it is also called selectively permeable membrane. So why it is called selectively permeable membrane? Because it permits selected substances to go out from the cell, and it permits certain substances, selected substances, to take entry inside the cell. That's why it is called selectively permeable membrane of the cell. And next thing, what I am going to tell about the cell membrane or plasma membrane. So it has fine pores through which substances may enter or leave the cell. It has pores by which certain substances leave the cell and take entry inside the cell. The thickness of the cell membrane is about 7 micrometer. Its thickness of the cell membrane is about 7 micrometer. And next thing which I am going to tell you, that because of this dimension, it is not visible under a light microscope. It is so microscopic because this thickness of the cell membrane is, what I am telling, thickness of the cell membrane is 7 micrometer. Due to very fine dimension of the cell membrane, it did not seen under the light microscope. So after that, under electron microscope, a detailed structure of cell membrane can be seen. When we use electron microscope, then by the electron microscope we can see the cell membrane or plasma membrane, which I have explained till now. After that, the cell membrane is made up of lipid, protein, cholesterol and polysaccharide. By what things it is made up of? So cell membrane is made up of, by what things? Made up of lipid, made up of protein. This means cell membrane is made up of lipid, protein, cholesterol and polysaccharides. Once again, try to understand by what things this plasma membrane or cell membrane is made up of. So plasma membrane and cell membrane is made up of by what things? Lipid. It is made up of lipid, protein, cholesterol and polysaccharides. In fact, it is phospholipid that form the primary structure of the cell membrane. All the things which I am tell you, that is lipid, polysaccharides, and other things. So all of them are made up of phospholipid. The membrane organization of plasma membrane is explained by three models. By three models, this cell membrane or this plasma membrane, basic structure of the cell membrane are explained by three models. What are they? The three models. The three models are lipid model, lamellar model, and a fluid mosaic model. I am telling you that the cell membrane or plasma membrane are explained by three models. What are they? Once again, try to understand. They are lipid model, and next will be lamellar model, and thirdly fluid mosaic model. Out of the model of fluid mosaic model, out of the three models, but I am telling you the name of three models. So out of three models, fluid mosaic model are most accepted model to explain the structure of cell membrane or plasma membrane. So according to this model, according to fluid mosaic model, the lipid and membrane of proteins are dispersed in a mosaic arrangement. Are dispersed in a mosaic arrangement here and there, random. They are arranged. This is called in mosaic model. In mosaic model, all the lipid and membrane of proteins are dispersed in mosaic arrangement, that is called fluid mosaic model according to this model. But one thing before going, another thing, one thing I am telling you that please note down it, that fluid mosaic model proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Who proposed this model? Fluid mosaic model. So fluid mosaic model are proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. In 1972, fluid mosaic model are proposed by Singer and Nicholson. According to this model, cell membrane is made up of a continuous bilayer of phospholipid and protein. According to fluid mosaic model, the cell membrane are made up of continuous bilayer. Bilayer means two layer. Double layer. Bilayer means two layer. That means according to this model, according to fluid mosaic model, the cell membrane is made up of continuous layer of phospholipid and proteins. So the lipid and the membrane of proteins are dispersed in a mosaic arrangement. These membrane proteins belong to two categories. That means proteins in this model belong to two categories, extrinsic and intrinsic. What I am telling you? Extrinsic and intrinsic. So, intrinsic protein are found permanently embedded in the lipid bilayer. That in intrinsic protein are found permanently embedded in the lipid bilayer. That means in between the two layers of lipid it is found, that we call intrinsic. And extrinsic are found on the outer surface of the inner surface. Inner surface, that is the inner surface, and inner surface on the outer surface. Outer part of the inner surface, extrinsic membrane of protein are found. So this is the reason by Singer and Nicholson called proteins a number of protein iceberg floating in the sea of lipid. That means it is found on the outer side of the inner membrane. So Singer and Nicholson said, what said that? Number of proteins or float in the iceberg of lipid. These proteins act as enzyme, as catalyst in the reaction. So what is catalyst? That substances which can increase the rate of reaction is called catalyst. This is called catalyst. So these proteins act as a catalyst in the reaction which occurs in the body. So this one is, I am explaining you about cell membrane or plasma membrane, and the cell membrane and plasma membrane are explained with the help of fluid mosaic model. So after that, what is the function of plasma membrane? Function of plasma membrane, I am telling you, plasma membrane is selectively permeable as it permits certain substances to go out from the cell and certain substances to take entry inside the cell. It gives definite shape to the animal cell. Plasma membrane gives definite shape to the cell and provide protection to the internal component of the cell. It provides support to the internal component of the cell, and it is a flexible enough engulf large molecule and food particles. So the plasma membrane flexible and help in engulfing large molecule and food particles inside the cell. So this much enough. I am explaining you the fundamental unit of life cell inside the chapter. Today I have explained you basic structure of the cell membrane with the help of fluid mosaic model. I hope you all understand. If not understand, then contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will confirm you. So this much enough. Thanks.